Do you have difficulties studying English? Do you struggle to remember vocabulary or feel nervous when speaking? Or does it sometimes feel like English is just too hard to master? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. And guess what? English Express is here to help you. Our channel is designed to make English learning easy, fun, and super effective. Whether you're just starting out, brushing up on old skills, or preparing for an important exam, we've got something for you. Here's what you'll find on English Express. Engaging stories to help you learn vocabulary and phrases naturally. Step-by-step grammar explanations to clear up all the confusion. Interactive pronunciation tips to help you speak confidently. Fun games and challenges to practice what you've learned while having a great time. And special hacks and strategies to make learning faster and more enjoyable. For example, imagine learning how to describe your daily routine in English by watching a short story, repeating after me, and practicing in a fun quiz. Sounds exciting, right? Our mission is simple: to help you speak better, read faster, and love learning English. We believe that anyone can master English with the right tools and a bit of motivation. And that's exactly what we're here to give you. So, are you ready to start this exciting journey? Hop aboard the English Express and let's reach your English goals together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a lesson. Let's make learning English your new favorite adventure.